Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing the SJCAM 4000. So here it is, the SJCAM 4000 Wi-Fi at the 2.2 inch version. So okay, let's unbox it. So guys, pardon me for my camera angle because like I don't have much of gears right now, but soon I'll be upgrading with some gears. So after that you get a SJCAM written over here. Here you can find out that it's the 12 megapixel camera. It's 13 meter water resistant and it can shoot 1080p at full HD at 30 fps and 30 meter water resistant. And in the back of that you can find out the mountings that it offers, like what it is, the camera, the casing and all those mounts and all those stuff. So that's it. And if you check out, here are the specifications, so you can just screenshot it if you like. And like maybe here's a price mentioned over here. Let me check it out. No, there's nothing that is mentioned about the price in the back. So okay, let's get straight into the camera. So here you get the camera itself. So this is the camera, the SJCAM 4000. You can see it is packed with good casing, with hard casing, and after that you will find the mounts, a lot of mounts. These all you will find the USB cables, some 3M tapes. These is the helmet mounts, the screws. This is the handlebar mounts, tripod mounts, some stickers, again mounts. The manual, okay, we'll keep it aside. For mounts, the head straps, mounts, and the cloth. Okay, so let's start on the camera. So we did side out the mounts. Now let's turn on the camera. Hope it has charge in it. Okay, it has some charge in it. So okay, if we try to shoot, I don't have a memory card right now, so like I can't shoot. I have to insert a memory card. So okay, I'll show you some sample in the next video. Okay guys, if you want to purchase this camera, then I'll put the links for it, and like I'll be making a separate video how to mount it on my helmet. So okay guys, thank you, follow me in the next video.